2025. And I would like to express our thanks for everybody for joining us for this Kapihan with PIA, Luzon, Visayas, and OCT. Today we will present the 2025 annual accomplishments of the Office of Civil Defense Region 6 as well as the activities this year. Our theme, Building a Safer, Prepared, and More Resilient Western Visayas, reflects our continuing commitment to strengthen disaster resilience across all provinces, cities, municipalities, in the region. Guided by the principle, sa bagong Pilipinas, bawat buhay mahalaga. OCD Region 6 remains focused on protecting lives, reducing disaster risk, and ensuring faster, safer, and more coordinated response and recovery efforts. We received 53 local DRRM plans, supported 124 LGUs through the Gawad Kalasag program, and conducted 19 OCD-funded trainings. Through our technical assistance activities, we reached 2,290 participants, including DRRM officers, responders, volunteers, and local officials. We also managed 30 disaster response operations, conducted 11 pre-disaster risk assessment meetings, and served 41 requests for family, food and non-food items. On the rehabilitation side, we evaluated 133 project requests and monitored 15 ongoing DRRMF funded projects. Finally, the RDRRMC approved 32 regional resolutions demonstrating active policy and coordination mechanisms throughout the year. Under disaster prevention and mitigation, we focused on policy support, recognition programs, and regional coordination. We reviewed 53 local DRRM plans and provided technical assistance to the province of Iloilo, while also conducting regional reviews for all provinces and Iloilo City. For Gawad Kalasag, 124 local government units out of 129 participated with 11 special award entries, and all regional validation were completed. As the Secretariat of the Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, OCD Region 6 facilitated 4 full council meetings, 2 special council meetings, 4 technical working group meetings, and the approval of 32 regional resolutions. These efforts help ensure that local governments have updated plans, stronger governance, and better coordination mechanisms. So this slide shows the regional participation in Gawad Kalasag 2025. Iloilo recorded 37 entries, followed by Negros Occidental with 28. Aklan, Antique, Capiz, and Guimaras also demonstrated strong participation, bringing the regional total to 124 local government units. The high level of participation indicates that local governments are increasingly investing in disaster resilience and are willing to benchmark their programs against national standards. Preparedness remains one of our core priorities. In 2025, OCD Region 6 conducted 19 OCD-funded trainings covering incident command system, emergency operations, camp coordination, search and rescue, and other specialized DRRM courses. We also reached 2,293 participants through technical assistance and capacity building activities. These interventions strengthened the operational readiness of local responders, volunteers, and DRRM councils in Western Visayas. Beyond classroom training, we also conducted quarterly nationwide simultaneous earthquake drills to promote public awareness and institutional preparedness. Another major activity was the successful conduct of the second Regional Rescue Olympics, which provided a venue for responders from different provinces and agencies to demonstrate and enhance their rescue skills, teamwork, and interoperability. Another major activity was the successful conduct of the second Regional Rescue Olympics, which provided a venue for responders from different provinces and agencies to demonstrate and enhance the rescue skills, teamwork, and interoperability. These activities help build a culture of preparedness not only among responders but also among schools and offices. For disaster response, OCD Region 6 handled 30 response operations during the year. We conducted 11 pre-disaster risk assessment meetings and served 41 requests for family food and non-food items. Through the combined efforts of national agencies, local governments, and humanitarian partners, nearly 100 million pesos worth of assistance was delivered to disaster-affected communities in Western Visayas. This reflects the importance of pre-positioning, coordination, and timely mobilization of resources. One of the major operations in 2025 was the Canlaon response, which we continued until late last year. OCD Region 6 coordinated with local governments, response clusters, and national agencies to support affected communities through evacuation management, relief operations, and ongoing monitoring of volcanic activity. The operation highlighted the value of unified command, continuous risk assessment, and close coordination with scientific agencies and local authorities. Throughout the year, the region also responded to several tropical cyclone events. Our actions included activation of emergency operation centers, dissemination of warnings, conduct of PDRA meetings, pre-positioning and distribution of welfare goods, and coordination with provincial and municipal DRRM offices. These measures contributed to more organized preparedness and response efforts across vulnerable areas. OCD Region 6 also provided support to ASEAN-related meetings hosted in the region. These included emergency preparedness and coordination arrangements, incident management support, and interagency security and contingency planning as the lead agency for STG emergency preparedness and response. Hosting international events allowed us to demonstrate the region's capability in emergency coordination and disaster preparedness at an international level. Under rehabilitation and recovery, we evaluated 133 NDRRMF project request, and monitored 15 infrastructure projects. We strengthened our project validation and monitoring teams and enhanced coordination with LGUs and national agencies. The slide also shows the streamlined process from request, validation, recommendation, monitoring, and completion, which helps ensure that rehabilitation projects are implemented officially, efficiently, and with proper oversight. The projects we monitored included hanging footbridges, box culverts, seawalls, revetments, farm-to-market roads, and evacuation centers. These infrastructure projects are designed to be safer, stronger, and more resilient, helping communities recover while reducing future disaster risk. This slide presents actual rehabilitation projects monitored by OCD Region 6. Site inspections and validation activities were conducted regularly to ensure that projects comply with approved plans, technical standards, and implementation timelines. Our monitoring teams also work closely with LGUs to address issues encountered during project implementation. Internally, OCD Region 6 continued to strengthen its organizational systems. We successfully passed both the Stage 1 and Stage 2 audits for our ISO 9001-2015 quality management system. This means that quality management processes have been institutionalized across the organization, leading to improved efficiency, accountability, and service delivery in all divisions. As we move forward, OCD Region 6 continues to lead activities for National Disaster Resilience Month. These activities aim to increase public awareness, promote community participation, and strengthen partnerships among government agencies, civil society organizations, the private sector, and educational institutions. As shown are the upcoming activities for the Regional Rescue Olympics in Antique from July 25 to 2029 this year. No less than the Civil Defense Administrator, under Secretary Harold Cabreros, will grace the activities. This event will further enhance the competencies of responders in areas such as search and rescue, emergency medical response, and incident management. More importantly, it promotes interoperability and camaraderie among response teams across Western Visayas. As shown are the previous Rescue Olympics in 2024 and 2025 held in Bago City, Negros Occidental, and Pututan, Iloilo, respectively. In anticipation of El Nino, OCD Region 6 activated Task Force El Nino and facilitated the submission of the Regional El Nino Action Plan. We also conducted the PDRA scenario building activities to assess possible impacts on water supply, agriculture, energy, health, and other sectors. Early planning allows agencies and LGUs to implement mitigation measures before severe impacts. Another important initiative was the conduct of climate forums in higher educational institutions. These forums engage students, faculty members, and researchers in discussions on climate risk, adaptation, and disaster resilience. By involving the academic community, we encourage evidence-based solutions and strengthen the role of research and innovation in DRRM. Looking ahead, OCD Region 6 will focus on 7 strategic priorities. Number 1 is to promote climate and disaster resilience across all sectors. Enhance community preparedness through capacity building and public education. Strengthen multi-sectoral collaboration. Conduct simultaneous exercises and contingency planning. Accelerate rehabilitation initiatives. Improve early warning and emergency communications. And strengthen volunteerism through the National Service Reserve Corps, or the NSRC. These priorities will guide our programs, investments, and partnerships in the coming year as we continue building resilient communities throughout Western Visayas. In closing, we thank all our partners, local government units, national government agencies, uniformed services, volunteers, civil society organizations, private sector partner, and the media for your continued support. The accomplishments presented today are the result of our collective efforts. On behalf of the Office of Civil Defense Region 6, thank you for your trust and partnership. Together, let us continue serving the nation and protecting the people. Maraming salamat, and we are now ready to receive questions from the members of the media and our stakeholders.
Madamong nga salamat, Regional Director Raul Fernandez Sir sa OCD6 sa paghatag sa itong mga accomplishments kag mga ways forward sa aton nga agency nga nasentro gid of course no sa apat ka pilar sa aton nga DRRM. And to further hatag sang guidance sa aton nga mga ka-cabinets and of course sa aton avid nga mga viewers and audiences sa aton nga programa, yari ang masunod natin nga mga video bahin naman sa mga pahanungdong na tuhoy sa nagkalain-lain ng mga calamities or disasters na pwede pakatubang sa aton nga mga kauturan diri sa Kabisayan na katong. Please watch this video, we will be back.
Magandang araw, si Dingdong Dantes po ito. Narinig din na rin pa sa balita yung the big one o ang kinatatakutang malakas na lindol na pwedeng mangyari sa Pilipinas. Alam ko nakakatakot. Napakaraming tanong sa isip natin. Anong gagawin mo kapag nangyari yun? Saan ako pupunta? Paano mo niligtas ang pamilya ko? Sa bawat tanong na yan, dapat may nakahanda tayong sagot at aksyon. Dahil mapapanatag tayo kung alam natin ang gagawin sa panahon ng sakuna. #palatag ang may alam. Tuwing tag-ulan, kalaban ng mga commuters ang baha. Hassle kasi, papasok ko pa lang sa opisina, basang-basa ka na. At kung pauwi naman, hirap na ang pumarang sa sasakyan, minsan, stranded pa. Ano buhay to? Kaya naman, simple reminders lang mga kababayang commuters. Una, makibalita sa Pag-asa kung babahain ang lugar na dadaanan mo. Pwede sa TV, radyo, o social media. Pangalawa, magbaon ng payong at kapote. Make sure din na fully charged ang phone mo para makapag-update ka kay crush kung nasaan ka na. And lastly, kung hindi naman mahalagang lakad o malapit sa bahay, lugar ang pupuntahan, stay at home na lang muna. Cotton weather din naman kasi. Kaya ingat-ingat sa baka mga kababayan dahil #panatag ang mayalak. Plano mo rin bang magkaroon ng sariling bahay soon? Uy, iyan ang life goals.